Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make two types of Mexican hot sauce for tacos, a green and a red one. So let me show you how to do it. For the green sauce we're going to use 10 tomatillos, 12 chile de árbol green, a small bunch of cilantro, 1 clove of garlic, a quarter of an onion. Next step is we're going to boil the green chile de árbol and the green tomatillos, and this is gonna be for our green sauce. So we're gonna boil this. On high for about 2 minutes. Okay, after I boil them for a few minutes, this is how they look. So now we're gonna make our sauce. And since this is the green sauce, we're gonna add the cilantro, the onion, and the garlic, some salt, and some water. And now we're gonna blend it. I am gonna use the low speed. Alright, this is how your sauce should be. And we need this type for this for whatever you're gonna use it for, the tacos, tostadas, flautas, and don't forget to taste it. That's good. Doesn't need any more salt. For the red sauce, we're gonna use 2 tomatillos, 2 red tomatoes, 3 serrano peppers, 4 chile de árbol dry, 1 quarter of an onion, and 1 clove of garlic. For the red sauce, we're gonna toast the tomatillos, the tomatoes, the onion, the peppers. You can see my chile de árbol are toasted already, so I had to remove them. I'm gonna leave the onion a little bit more, and the rest we still need a little bit more time too. You recall? So now we're gonna remove the peppers and the onion and the garlic. So now I'm gonna remove the rest of my tomatoes. The next step is we're gonna blend all the ingredients. For this one, we're not adding too much water, a little bit of salt. And don't forget to taste it. Oh, this one's a little spicy and also needs a little bit of salt. And there you go. Here are my 2 salsas or hot sauce that you can use with anything. Tacos, tostadas, flautas. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.